Hey there, rewards enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the ins and outs of credit card points to help you maximize your money. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward topic: how to redeem your Chase Sapphire points for cash back. If you've been hoarding those points and aren't sure what to do with them, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, why choose cash back? It's simple, flexible, and great for everyday expenses. Chase Sapphire points are versatile, but redeeming for cash back gives you a straightforward 1 cent per point value, which is perfect if you need quick funds. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Head over to the Chase website or open the mobile app and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure connection, safety first. Step 2. Navigate to the Rewards section. Once you're in, look for the Rewards, or Ultimate Rewards, tab. This is your gateway to all the redemption options. Step 3. Select the cashback option. You'll see various choices like travel, gift cards, or merchandise, but click on cashback. Here, you can choose how to receive your redemption. Options include a statement credit, direct deposit to your bank account, or even a check. Step 4. Pick your amount. Decide how many points you want to redeem. Remember, each point is worth 1 cent for cashback, so 10,000 points equals $100. Double-check the total before proceeding. Step 5. Review and confirm. Chase will show you a summary of your redemption. Make sure everything looks good, then hit confirm. Your cash back should hit your account within a few business days. A quick tip: while cash back is convenient, compare it to other redemptions like travel, where points might be worth 1.5 cents or more through the Chase portal. That said, cash back is ideal if you need immediate liquidity. There you have it. Redeeming Chase Sapphire points for cashback is easier than you think. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite redemption stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.